guys, Jurassic Collectables here. Fanattik have sent us another excellent update on their collectibles, and you may have realized that the gold limited edition ticket to Jurassic Park has completely sold out everywhere. So Fanattik have pulled out all the stops to bring you this version. It's a silver version of the VIP ticket. It's going to be coming out in August. It was originally due out at Christmas time, but they've pulled out all the stops to bring it forwards because that gold ticket has sold out. So if you do want this replica, you can be getting a silver version in August. They're going to be limited to 5,000 pieces and they're going to be individually numbered. And next, if you're a coin collector like me, you may be interested in this blue Velociraptor limited edition collectible coin. This will be shipping late June. It's licensed by Universal Studios and it's limited to 9,995 worldwide. It's individually numbered, embossed on both sides. It's a nice heavyweight metal coin. And if you're like me, I've been collecting all the Jurassic Park coins since like the 25th anniversary. So I'm trying to keep up with new releases, and I'll probably get my paws on this one. Looking forward to having a closer look at this one and reviewing on the channel. So just a quick update for you Jurassic Park collectors. I think the most important thing about this ticket is that it gives you a new aesthetic on the ticket. If you're not a fan of gold, maybe you prefer silver or chrome, and I quite like the look of this ticket. So don't worry if you've missed out on the gold ticket. It's already selling for hundreds of pounds online, which is ridiculous. Don't worry, you can get your hands on this silver version. Okay guys, rate, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.